Here I have INFINIX Note 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first let's turn our device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. When the screen turns on and you can see INFINIX logo appear, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. Just like this. When you see this screen with no command message, hold down power key and press volume up once. And after that you will end up in the recovery mode. So here at this mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.